This video is going to look at the formatives you are doing for the Human Rights Unit. It starts with our introductory slide, the skill that we're working on, identifying and defining problems, what the skill looks like in general, and then down below, this should be just human rights. I apologize. Down below what it looks like specifically for human rights. So I can define human rights violations, and groups of people impacted by the violations, and taking it to the next level over here. You can do those things as well as providing possible reasons or explanations for why these violations or problems or issues occurred. Next, we have essential questions and I can statements. So if you can say, I can identify what human rights are, and you can say each of these, you will likely be able to have a response for each of these questions, as well as work on this skill of identifying and defining issues. So talking about human rights and violations and why these problems occurred. This slide is just a background slide to give some context about human rights and kind of how the formalized idea of human rights and the Universal Declaration of Human Rights came about. Slide 5 has your formative activities that you are doing. Below each of these down here are the different activities with their directions. The I can statements, the task that you're doing for the activity, and then the directions or the how or the steps for how you're going to do it. Each of these activities is set up the same way. For the do both column, you need to do what are human rights. You're doing that first. You are working on the Universal Declaration of Human Rights second. I didn't show you above, but if you click on the words and click on the slide, it will bring you directly to the slide you need. So first, second, in this column you are doing, for activities 1 and 2, you're picking 2 of these to do. So out of these 3 options, Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, or Human Rights Video Playlist, you are picking 2 of these activities to do and turn in. And in this last column, out of these 2 activities, human rights issues or violations and human rights violations, you are picking 1 of those to do for your third activity. Oops, I apologize for that. So again, each of these links brings you to an activity. You are doing both of these activities right here in these squares. You are picking 2 from the middle column from these 3 options, and you're picking 1 from this far column with 1 of these options. There are directions on Google Classroom for where and how to turn these in, and on each activity there are directions on the last step for what you need to turn in. And again, you'll find your directions on Google Classroom for where you will turn each of these in. These are building a background and a foundation for an understanding of what human rights are, where human rights issues and violations are in the world today, and what they are. So building a foundational information, knowledge, background on that to then build on for future activities and for the rest of our Global Studies class.